REIY's Client Manager and Client Insight is a new feature designed to manage and track all of your clients and their needs and wants and directly supply that client with your listings. The Client Manager is not a CRM or client relationship management tool, it is more a marketing management tool. To view the Client Manager, go to the main menu bar, place your mouse over Managers, and select Client Manager. This will open a view where you can see all the individual clients that you have entered into REIY's. Clients are automatically entered as they register for a virtual deal room. This means any participant that has viewed any of your different virtual deal rooms will automatically be entered into your Client Manager. You may also add any clients by entering in their information on the Contact Overview and Contact Setup page. We also have a feature where you can automatically upload a CSV file with your contact information and needs and wants. To take a look at an individual contact, please select the individual's name. That individual's information will come up on the Contact Overview. Here you can add in all of their contact information, including their phone, email, address, company name, and you can even upload a logo. If you go to the Setup page, you can also add in the client's needs and wants. Here we have the different property types within REIY's. We also have min and maximums for price, square footage, occupancy, and cap rate. These search parameters will set up your client's needs and wants and automatically produce results from your existing listings. These results will be viewed in what is called Client Insight. On the bottom of the screen you can see our Client Insight link. This is a link that you can provide your client so that they have real-time, immediate access and their own unique personal website to your inventory. If we click on the Client Insight link here for our client, it will take us to a website that is specifically for that client. In the top right hand corner you can see this is exclusively for USDHS Real Estate and Brendan Erickson. It will pull in your logo from your existing company, in my case any company, but your logo would appear here. It then pulls in all of the inventory from your PowerBroker account. The inventory displayed will fit the needs and wants parameters that you have entered for that individual client. And the properties will automatically be updated anytime you add a new property to your PowerBroker account in an active status that fits the client's parameters. If the client places their mouse over any of the individual properties, they will see a short summary about that property: the title, location, price, square footage, price per square foot, or price per unit on a multifamily building. If we click on any of the individual properties, in this case the Mission Hills Retail Center, it will then open up a more detailed view of that property. Here your client can read the property details, property description, they can map the property, they can view your broker info and your company info. If they remove the side panel and click on any of the pictures below, they can view all the individual photos that you have uploaded into your proposal. Again, all of this information is pulling directly from PowerBroker, so anytime you update PowerBroker, your Client Insight links will be updated. If we go back to the listings, we can see here that there are 7 properties that fit this individual client's needs and wants. If I go back to PowerBroker and I open up an individual property and change the status from off market to active, this property will now show up in my Client Insight. So all properties that are active will show on your Client Insight. You need to set each and every property that you want to be included to a status of active. Now that I have changed the listing status and I saved the data, I can go back to my Client Manager, select the individual Brendan Erickson, go to my contact setup, and again click on my Client Insight. Now you can see I've added an 8th property, my industrial owner user for sale or for lease. Again, all I did was change the status and it now appears in my client insight. This keeps you connected in real time to all of your clients. Remember, within the client manager, each individual client that you have will have its own client insight link. So if I come and open a different client, I can set their individual parameters and they would have a different link that shows different properties. Please note that all of your information will pull from PowerBroker. If you do not have a photo available for a property, 1950 Cedar Avenue in this case, you would need to go back to your PowerBroker, open up that individual property, go to the Proposals tab, open up the property description, add a photo and a written description. This is the photo that will show directly on the front of your client insight. Once I have uploaded the photo and I save this, if I next go back to my client insight and refresh the page, now you can see 1950 Cedar Avenue has an updated photo. Again, all of these changes are in real time and keep your client directly linked to your listings.